Wet weather's out to the west, and during the week ahead, any rain that is around is going to be on that western side of the country. Mind you, we are all going to feel some changes in the weather, most noticeably, I think, temperatures. Now, last night it was frosty across Eastern Europe, and during this coming week, the southeasterly winds are going to bring that colder weather in across the southern North Sea. So eventually we will have some frosty nights. Not those hard frosts that we had around Christmas, generally slight frost, but nevertheless it'll make a distinct change from what we've been used to over the last week or so. Now that's the reason for the rain in the west at the moment, this waving weather front. Lots of cloud, as you can see from the satellite picture, and the radar shows it's quite an active weather system, bringing some heavy bursts of rain across Scotland at the moment. I think we could find some more heavy bursts of rain moving in across the West Country, perhaps the southwestern tip of Wales. For the afternoon, I think the heaviest of the rain just easing off over Northern Ireland, but a little bit of drizzliness there. Some heavy bursts of rain just moving out of the Western Isles. A little transition zone on this western side where there will be some brightness, but still a few spots of rain. But for central and eastern areas, the dry weather continuing with some afternoon sunshine. Now, it's not going to feel particularly warm because there's a bit of a breeze blowing. So although temperatures up into double figures above what you'd expect at this time of year, that breeze is going to make it feel rather chilly. No frost tonight. I think temperatures staying well above freezing, but we are going to find some patchy fog in central and eastern parts of England, and still a few spots of rain out over western areas. Now tomorrow this low disappear, this weather system will disappear as well. High pressure pushing in from the near continent, and then later on in the week we start to see weather fronts begin to move back from the west. So Monday morning, that weather system still in evidence in the west, still some rain there. Things brightening up though across southwestern parts of the British Isles, the rain hanging on a little bit longer in the northwest, some brighter weather in the east. A touch of frost Tuesday morning for central and eastern areas, still some rain up there in the northwest, but by the time we get to the middle part of the week, hardly any rain at all around. A good deal of bright and dry weather, but some niggling low cloud on those North Sea coasts. Thursday we start to see that weather system moving in from the west, and it looks as though by the end of the week we will be back where we're starting today. And that's the forecast.